Hello students, I am Pallavi Bokhe. In previous video we have discussed about the theory of 3-point problem and the different methods to solve the 3-point problem. In particular we have seen what is mean by analytical solution to solve the 3-point problem. Now in this video we'll focus on the numerical based on the 3-point problem, which is generally asked for 5 to 6 marks in the university examinations. So this is the example. The A, B and C are three visible stations in a hydrographic survey. The sides AB and BC 3325 meters and 3712.9 meters respectively, and angle ABC is 100 degree 20 minutes 30 seconds. The angles observed with a sextant between A and B and C from a sounding boat at O are 39 degree 12 minutes 20 seconds and 52 degree 48 minutes 40 seconds respectively. The points B and O are on opposite sides of AC. Find the distances OA, OB and OC. Now from the data given in the numerical, we can draw a diagram where A, B and C are the three stations. B and O are opposite to each other, and O point is the sounding point or a boat point, and alpha 1 and alpha 2 are measured from point O. Here the distance AB and BC is given. So now according to the derivation we have seen for analytical solution, so this angle BAO is nothing but the angle X and angle BCO is Y. Now here phi is equals to X plus Y, so that is equals to 360 degree minus 39 degree 12 minutes 20 seconds plus 52 degree 48 minutes 40 seconds plus 100 degree 20 minutes 30 seconds. So from all this the phi comes out to be 167 degree 38 minutes 30 seconds. Now directly we can use the formula to find out the angle X, that is cot of X is equals to cot of 167 degree 38 minutes 30 seconds, that is phi, plus 3325, that is the C, into sine of 52 degree 48 minutes 40 seconds, that is alpha 2, divided by sine of 39 degree 12 minutes 20 seconds, that is alpha 1, into sine of 167 degree 38 minutes 30 seconds, that is phi, into 3712.9, that is small a. So from this the cot of X is equals to 0.711, and from this calculations we can find out X angle, that is equals to 54 degree 35 minutes 13.82 seconds. So we know that phi is equals to X plus Y. So phi is known and X is calculated recently. So from this we can find out angle Y, and that answer is 113 degree 3 minutes 16.18 seconds. Now in triangle OAB, by using sine rule we can find out distance OB. So OB upon sine X is equals to 3325 upon sine of alpha 1. So from this we can find out OB, that is equals to 4287.05 meters. Now in triangle OAB, so angle BAO is X, angle AOB is alpha 1. So from this we can find out angle ABO or OBA. So that is equals to 180 degree minus X minus alpha 1. So that angle is equals to 86 degree 12 minutes 26.18 seconds. By using the sine rule for the triangle OBA, we can find out the distance OA. So OA upon angle ABO is equals to OB upon angle sine of x. So by substituting the values, we can find out OA, that is equals to 5248.67 meters. Now from the another triangle, that is triangle OBC, here angle OCB is y and angle BOC is alpha 2. So from this we can find out angle OBC by using the formula, that is 180 degree minus y minus alpha 2. So substitute the values of alpha 2 and y, we will get the answer of angle OBC, that is equals to 14 degree 8 minutes 3.82 seconds. Now by using sine rule in this triangle, we can find out the distance OC. Now OB is already calculated, BC is already known, and OC we can find out by using the sine rule, by applying the sine rule here. So OC is equals to, the answer is 1138.11 meters. So in this way we can find out the sides OA, OB and OC to plot the sounding point O. Now here this was the one type of problem where AB distance and BC distance is already measured and angle ABC is measured. So from that we can find out the X angle, Y angle, OA, OB and OC distances. Now another type of problem can be asked in the same under the same topic, and that in that problem the lengths will be given, length AB, BC and AC will be given instead of providing the angle ABC. So by considering this triangle AB and C, first we have to calculate the angle ABC. Now after getting the answer of angle ABC, the remaining procedure to find out AP, BP and CP is same. So this problem is regarding this kind of category. So A, B and C are three visible stations in hydrographic survey. The computed sides of the triangle ABC are: AB is equals to 1130 meters, BC equals to 1372 meters, AC equals to 1889 meters. Outside this triangle and nearer to AC, a station P is established and its position to be found by 3-point resection on A, B and C. The angle APB, that is alpha 1, and angle BPC being respectively 42 degree 35 minutes and 54 degree 20 minutes, and determine the distance PA, PC. So this kind of problem can be solved by using the formula for the triangle, where three sides of the triangle are given, and from that we can find out the angle. So here ABC is the triangle. AB, BC and AC are the three sides of the triangle which are given, and we have to find out the angle AB and C. So if you consider this angle ABC as Z, so by using the formula B square is equals to A square plus C square minus 2AC into cos Z. So here the side opposite to the A station is small a, side opposite to the C station is small c, and side opposite to the B station or B angle is small b. So small a, B and C, these are already given. We have to find out the Z angle. So by substituting the values of B square, A square and C square and twice AC, we can find out the value of cos z, and from that we can find out the z, that is the angle ABC. So rest of the procedure to find out distance AO and CO is same. Thank you.